Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the laptop Lenovo Idealpad Gaming 3. And if you like this video, go and hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Let's start. This laptop comes with the 10th generation of Intel i5 processor. 1/8 GB RAM. It has a 512GB NVMe SSD. And it comes with the 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. And we can also see the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in this laptop. The overall quality of the trackpad is decent. Clicks are nice and subtle and tactile at the same time. And I like this trackpad. This keyboard is definitely a better one. The keys are nice and tactile, so it does not feel like cheap. Thankfully, the whole keyboard is fully backlit in blue color and the backlighting is decent. This laptop comes with Windows 10 operating system, but if you update it, then you can see Windows 11. It is a 15.6-inch display with the resolution of 1080p, which is also known as Full HD. Here we can see anti-glare screen with the IPS technology. And the refresh rate is 120 Hz. So it can be said that this is a budget-friendly laptop in the price of 55,000 after seeing all the configuration including keyboard, trackpad and the operating system.